Hi folks, and welcome to your idea development session today. This is all about experimentation within design. Obviously we're going to be cracking on with challenge week work, but also as a little side note, I'm going to have a little look at some experimentation. So again, it still says magazine cover and spread there. So annoying, I can't remember when I changed it, but I did change it. It should be photography week 19, 20 and 21. Challenge weeks slap bang in the middle. Next week you have your final challenge from Matt. Matt will be delivering your final challenge. Look forward to it. It's going to be cool. As always folks, stay on task, ask for help if needed. This one still says sign the register post at the top of your group. There are not registers at the top of your group window. As always, you have to join the video in order to get your mark. Be in it to win it. You know this by now. If I'm talking, need 100% of your attention. Keep all your conversations relevant. Make the most of your time in session and back up all your work all the time, every unit into your hard drives. Today, the aim of the session is to develop understanding of originality in design. By the end of this, you should be able to describe why we need originality in our designs. You should be able to explain what makes a piece of graphic design original. And you should be able to demonstrate originality through a piece of graphic design. If you are miles behind on your challenge week work, please work on your challenge week work over this. If you are up to date with it, I would like you to take part in this session, please. Though, okay, there's a little discussion point. This is a debate that's been going on for years. Is it ever possible to be truly original in our designs? What I mean, is it possible ever for your design not to have any inspiration whatsoever? Is it possible that people will look and say that's in a certain style, or I've seen another artist doing something similar to that? Is it ever possible to be truly original in our designs? Right, rather than just like banging it to me on a DM like going, no it's not, or yes it is because I do it and I don't take any inspiration. I want you to actually just think about this. Think about this for 3 or 4 minutes. Just like if you're sat in a noisy room, just put your fingers in your ears and just think about it. Is it ever possible to be truly original in our designs, in your designs? Have a think. Is it? Isn't it? And then I'd say I'll give you about 4 or 5 minutes to ponder this, and then send me an answer. This isn't something that you can Google. I'd like to know what you think. I'd like to know your speculations. I'm not going to put on my own opinions on this. This is a debate, and by debate we mean there are two quite valid arguments in either direction. Let's see what you think. Pause the video, have a think, send me an answer. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're always looking in these, again, exploring and developing problem skills. This is your idea generation. Some of you don't have an awful lot of posts in your idea development folder. One thing I want to get onto. If you have changed the format, the layout of your blog, please change it back to the original layout of your blog. I believe that you can change the layout, and this makes it really confusing and very hard to mark. Like I said at the start of the year, make your work as easy to mark as possible. And by that, what I mean is don't leave it to chance that we will possibly miss off something that is on your blog. So we set these up so they had the clearest layout for us to mark. Please return your blog to that default layout of what it was like. If you don't know what it was like, ask one of your friends who hasn't changed it, and they'll probably be able to show you what their blog looks like. Okay, smashing, thank you. Okay, please watch the following video and write 3 sentences on your thoughts on the piece. I will post you a link for this video in the chat, and then you'll be able to find out. If I haven't posted it, can you please come back onto the chat and say, Pete, you haven't posted it, because I will have just completely forgot. Okay, this is your supplementary link, and I'm going to give you 7 minutes to write 3 sentences on your thoughts and opinions on the piece. Okay, thank you very much. Right then, folks, 40 minutes. Please define for me what it means to be original. And by this, what I'd like you to do is create an original poster that is either advertising a skateboarding shop, a vegan restaurant, a music event, or a florist's. And be as original as you can. Take zero influence from research. Basically, if this looks like someone else's work or style, then it is wrong. How could you do a florist's without using the trope of having flowers all over it? How could you do a completely original florist's or a skateboarding shop without an idea in mind of what skateboarding posters look like? Be as original as possible. 40 minutes, go. Okie doke, folks. Right, challenge week 2 then, carry on. Please continue to work on your assignment. I'm here if you need me, and keep in mind originality. Originality is the theme of this week. If you've finished your challenge week 2 work, then please work on getting back on track with your blogs. This doesn't mean leaving your computer and sodding off to the kitchen to make yourself a sandwich or having a go on 8-ball pool. You know who I'm talking about. Please get on track with your blogs for the rest of the session. Come back here before the end. Thank you very much. What have we done today? Plenary. Get your plenary over to me. Get it to me now. And yeah, I'll see you in the next session. Bye. Bye. Bye.